vision of ideological, consistent politics of service to the people, not service to themselves, but service to the people. That's what we are introducing. And I want to thank Nigerians for believing in the NDC vision, for registering online massively from all states. And I thank our officials, the state chairman and national officials who found time to attend our very first NEC. And we have had a very orderly, very well coordinated and productive NEC, unlike what happens in some other parties. And some other parties can't even have NEC. But we have our way of doing things the NDC way. And you can see the young people who are here, the young people of Nigeria. You can see your mates here. Abdul, come here. Deputy National Publicity Secretary. Yes. This, a former member of the House of Assembly of Zamfara, he has been in Zamfara coordinating and working for this party. Honorable Ismail. I call him Aliu Kadao Kadao. Aliu from Katsina, state chairman of Katsina, NDC, has been in Katsina working and registering people. And there are so many other young people. Your name is?
Honorable Bala Maradin from Zamfara State.
From Zamfara too.
Youth leaders of
yes,
State.
Youth leaders of Zamfara State. Dr. Idris, come. Yes. From Gombe State. It's a medical doctor. Now, what we are showing Nigerians is that we have created a platform for all Nigerians, yes, but more particularly for the youths of Nigeria, the women of Nigeria. In our very first NEC, where is the doctor? Ngema will come. Young man with a PhD. Yes. The state chairman, Delta State. So, at our very first NEC, we have just ratified a very important resolution, which is affirmative action for our women. And all the chairmen and leaders have been mandated to go home and harmonize the structures so as to reflect women involvement and participation. We have also directed them to make provision to involve and include the youth of Nigeria. You have competent youths all over Nigeria. This is their party. They will include them. We have also directed them to involve other vulnerable people, people with disabilities and so on. So that is the nature of the party, and we have started off in a very wonderful way. Again, I thank all Nigerians for their confidence. And in the next coming days and weeks, we want to call on all of you who have not registered to do so. State chairman will be ramping up registration, and you'll be hearing more from the NDC. We call on all those who are stranded in the other parties, loyal members of PDP, who don't want to be in a party that is a clone of the APC, to come to this platform. This is their platform. Those who are aggrieved and dissatisfied and sidelined from the APC itself, which is now about to collapse under its own weight of its own creation, out of greed. Those who cannot find space because the APC is now too top-heavy, come here, this is your platform. For those who are in the Labour Party that don't know who is national chairman, this is your party. For those in the ADC who don't know whether it is a coalition or a coalition, this is your party. This is your party. And you don't know what may happen to the ADC, you are confused, you are thinking, this is your party. There is no uncertainty about the NDC and what we want to do for the Nigerian people. Thank you very much, and we wish Nigeria.
NDC.
Now that you are calling on tired members, those that are frustrated to join your party, are you not creating a precedent for another frustration for your party later?
No. We have our mechanisms. We are an ideological party. They can come, but we have a way of handling them. Okay? Thank you.
Friday, flow here.